All right, there you have it. It took about an hour. We're all there. Still a bunch of residual flux crap on there, but this is not for sale, so it doesn't matter. All right, so now all we got to do is mount it, and I'm not going to drop it on the aluminum because the capacitor, of course, but that's how it's going to go. We don't have a ground post here. We're going to figure that out with the customer, how they want to do that, because you want to be able to ground lift these. You want to be able to ground lift the chassis sometimes. So I don't know. We'll have to work that out with the customer and see what they want to do, because these only come in red and black. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that. But that's the filter. It's not a beauty queen, of course, but that should handle 30 amps constantly, no problem. That is a fairly pricey capacitor. These things are quite expensive. So we're not trying to take any shortcuts with this guy. We probably will inadvertently, but that's not the plan. Anyway, we'll stick it in, and then we'll get on to the pass regulator, which we talked about earlier, and think about how to do that one. I think 6 transistors would be fine, but there are other considerations there. So that's it for now.